Greetings, my name is David Bernard. I am a graduate student at the University of the West Indies in Jamaica, and this is my entry to the Development App Competition. This application has two purposes. First, it explains the Millennium Development Goals, or MDGs, in simple language. Second, it creates charts using the World Bank's entire MDG database. To me, the MDGs are like a jigsaw puzzle, in that it is only by understanding the connected nature of the goals that the true picture of development can be seen. By clicking on these puzzle pieces, you can see the rationale for particular goals, the relationships between goals, and the way that each goal is broken down into a specific target or targets. However, the hallmark of this system is the charting feature. This accordion menu system allows the user to navigate through goals, targets, and statistics. First, select a goal. I'll choose improve maternal health, then a target, then finally the statistic. Here I'll choose maternal mortality ratio. Next, you select a country, and here I can choose any country in the World Bank's database. Let's go with Egypt. And instantly the chart is created. You can use these navigation buttons to get down to 1990 and back. You can also add comparison countries up to 3 other countries. Notice that these have to be hit in sequence, and that only the Add Comparison Country button on the extreme left will be operable. Let's add Croatia. And again, you can navigate through the years. Another useful feature is this link that's always available, which will give you a definition of the particular statistic. If you scroll down to the bottom, there'll be a link that'll always send you to the World Bank site so that you can download the source files for yourself. Okay, now to give the full features, let's add 2 other countries. Let's say Côte d'Ivoire, and let's see, Lebanon. And that's essentially it. You can, of course, change countries at any time. Change Lebanon for Jamaica. So there's a certain amount of flexibility to this system that makes it very useful. You can also, of course, change statistics at any time. So say I want GNI. Notice this in 100 millions. When numbers are particularly large, the application automatically divides by a standard number. That's essentially it. The last important feature is this link on the home page, which leads to this PDF of the specs, the various buttons to press, the ways that you can do certain types of searches and so forth. Toward the end, there is this schematic of the architecture. This uses Adobe Flash as the front end, and XML, PHP, and an SQL database work behind the scenes to give users access to the entire MDG database. In closing, if you're like me, data tells more of a story when you see it graphed, especially when you're comparing one country to another. So I think this app democratizes the research process, giving instant access to pertinent data and presenting it in an easily discernible format. More importantly, I think it makes development relationships clear and demystifies knowledge so that solutions to pressing problems can be found. With that in mind, thanks for your time.